Hi. This is Ashley, Affiliate Manager at Mena VPN. I'm here to explain how you can make money with Mena VPN. It is easy, and you can make real money out of that. Open the URL, it is in the description, and sign up. Use one of the below methods to share your code. Then give it to your customer and they need to enter it inside the app. After that you both get 14 days free trial. After their trial finishes, they need to purchase an account, so you will receive 50% of each payment. You also receive 50% as long as they renew their subscriptions. Through this dashboard, you can manage your subscriptions and customers, and you can see your revenue. If you have any questions, just send us an email or message on WhatsApp.